going to talk about pricing tables. How can you create, if you have more than one product, you need to create a pricing table. And these are pricing tables, as you'll see in our eCoach 360 system. So how do you make these nice little pricing tables look really pretty? And how do you offer multiple products? So that's what we're going to talk about right now. So if you go back into your dashboard, we're in the dashboard of eCoach 360, you'll see on the left, scroll down, and you'll see pricing tables. Let's go ahead and just click all pricing tables. And this is how you can create multiple pricing tables. So say you had 20 products, but you only wanted 3 levels or something like that. You can create as many as you'd like. We already have one set up here and a demo in your demo site. So you would just go in here and click the features first. So edit features. Why do we do that? Because if we go back over here, we'll see that these are your features on the left-hand side, and then these are your columns. So that will help you there. These are your features. And you'll see, as we did, we made check marks. You can create text. You can create X's. So there's a lot of things that you can do. And how do you do this? Well, let's go back to our dashboard, and you'll see that we have created many features. You can do a feature URL if you want to link, a short description, and type checkbox. So you remember you saw checkboxes, but you also saw, let me get back over here, text and checkboxes. Well, you can do this by just selecting text and checkbox or text or checkbox. So that's how you do that. And so anyway, so you can edit these. We again put a sample in there, just edit whatever features you have. These are the features that we have. But what are your features? Once you do that, you'll click Update Features. Once you've finished everything, you can delete what we have, add new, whatever you want to do there. Now we want to edit the columns. So these are actually our buckets. So as you'll see, we have core basic service, gold service, and white glove service. Again, let's look at the chart, the pricing table that we have here. Core, gold, white glove. So each one of these little buckets that we made show up here. And so let's go back over here. And again, you can check whatever you want to do. I mean, this is all customizable for you. If you want to enlarge the column, so like the middle column is the biggest column, you check this box. So if I wanted to do that, you just check that. Gold service would be bigger. You can put a description. You'd want to put your package price. Again, everything you add here you can play with, but this is what adds it. Here's your price, here's your subscription, it's a monthly. So again, customize it to what your services are. Let's see, let's go down. Package features, public facing website, 9-page. So again, these are your features. And we, again, we're editing columns, but before I showed you how to edit features. And when you place a feature in the features column, it will show up as a list in all of your pricing columns. And you just put a check mark. If that is part of the feature of this gold service, you would put a check mark. If it isn't, and you do not put a check mark, that's when your X's show up. So let's look at that. Project management. What does that say on our completed form? Project management. Probably has an X in front of it. There it is, project management. It's not available in our basic service, but it is available in the following 2 services. So we put a check mark, did not put a check mark for project management, which means an X showed up. The other project managements are checked, so they have a check mark. So that's how you kind of separate, your columns versus features and how all that works. And then you, again, come down here, sign up, that's the sign up button. What link does that go to? That will show you from your, which service that you're using right now. And this will go to, if you want to go straight to, you could go to a page, like for example in gold here, eCoach 360 gold service. So if they say, yes, I'd like to learn more, you can put learn more in there and then take them to that page. Or you can put join now and put your WooCommerce or PayPal here. and that's how that works. So your link, and that's how they'll click and buy. And we discussed your link in WooCommerce and how all that works. You can change colors. If you click that, you'll see here's all the colors, pricing column colors. You have special options. So again, just go through here, click through it, customize it to what your pricing is. And you can add an image, you can add a video. So there's so many things that you can do with your pricing columns. Once that's complete, now you say, okay, I'm great. Love my package. Click update package. You can test it. I mean, the great thing about WordPress is if you're not happy with it, you would just come back over here and go, okay, edit column or edit features. You can also preview if you want to. And then once you're complete, you can copy it, which makes it really nice. So you don't have to recreate your forms every time. If you wanted to create a new pricing table, you would just click add new and the same information comes up. Just populate it and you're finished. Now shortcodes, again, shortcodes help you once you create something to put it on a page and this whole thing would show up. That's how it does on our pricing table. So let's look at that. Here's your shortcut. So you cut and paste that. Pages, we already have a pricing table page created. So I'm going to go under pages in my dashboard and find our pricing page. It's on the next page. So let me click through. And now we have our, where's my pricing table? Pricing. See, now this is when it's live, when you're going through here. Okay, what is the name of my page? How do you find out the name of your page? It's a good time to look at that. So pricing, we have eCoach 360 pricing is where it should be. And now I'll come back over here. Oh, I know why. We're still in portal pages. So let's go one more. And here we go, pricing. So let's look at that. How did I put that short code in the pricing page? Well, I just cut and pasted. Here's all of my information on that page. Choose your package depending, Coral Gold White Glove. You see that. Let's look what that looks like. And here's Coral Gold White Glove. So look at this. How did that show up? Well, I just cut and pasted my pricing table. And I just put the code in my text box. So again, right here. And that's all you have to do. Once you create that pricing table, just cut and paste the pricing table shortcode into the page, click Save. And click Update. And now your pricing table will show up on your page. Thank you very much. Good luck with the pricing tables. Let us know if you need anything.